Sit in butterfly pose, Baddha Konasana, and start flapping your knees. Keep wearing a gentle smile on your face. Inhale, raise your hands up, lengthen your spine. And place your palms in front of you on the mat. Now ensure that you keep the spine relaxed. Without flexing the spine, start crawling forward. Hinge from your hip joint. Notice the intensification of the stretch in your inner thighs. Keep intensifying that stretch. 1, 2, 3. If you feel any pressure in the belly, you're going to move your feet and your ankles away from your perineum. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly come back. Raise your hands up, lengthen your spine. And exhale, relax, relax, relax.